everyone, it's Els here on Technique Friday. Today I'll be showing you how to assemble the holiday house box. So I created some samples already. So this is a fun little box. It can go in the tree, of course. You can put a present in there, a battery operated candle. They are super fun to create. So here I painted this in red. I have the trees here. That's actually from the Planner Essentials line. The little fence that I used is from the village edges, and then a fishtail banner from Our Home to Yours stamped on there. So that's one. Then this one, I have decked the halls, same tree, and I painted it red and I painted it this white. And then I also made one out of scrapbook paper, and I have the fishtail here as well. Oh, what fun! And with a little penguin on there. So you can really do a lot of different things with that box, and I had so much fun to create it. So this is the die. So what I did, I cut it out of, and it's a fun cardstock, and it's actually from a cardboard box. So I tore like one of the sides from a cardboard box. So this is actually where the glue is to attach the wavy things that's inside the card box on there. So which cut a beautiful house, of course. So that's also what I use for these two boxes. So what you do, so you die cut it, and of course you poke out all the windows. Then you score everything, so it has all score lines in the die itself. So you can see here that those are all score lines, so it's very easy to fold. So every side has a score line. Then you put double-sided adhesive. I used a 6mm here on that flap. Then you fold it in. Then you fold it over, because then you have a perfect lineup. If you score, so that's why it's important that you score nice. Then you push this down, and then basically your box is ready. So you fold this in. So this is going to, oh, I need to score this one. Didn't fold this one down yet. Okay, and then that way. So then this is your box, and then you need to kind of close the bottom. And what I do, I cut an extra piece of cardstock kind of to finish it off at the bottom nicely, so you don't see any lines there, you see. So that's how I finish it, and we will put it in the description, of course, in the PDF, so you can see everything in the PDF. So that's 2 3/8 and 1 7/8. So that's how I cut it. So then basically what I do, you fold these in, then you fold the two sides in. You see the kind of hooks underneath that one, and this one kind of folds in there. So basically that is your box, and you give it a little push back here, and then you have your box ready. And then to finish that off, and also if you want to put something in there that's a little bit more heavy, it's good to give it an extra bottom. So just a double-sided adhesive on there as well, the 6mm, or a piece of double-sided adhesive from a sheet or a roll, and then hold it nicely like this. And then you just place that on there. And then I kind of take a pen to push everything down, so you make sure it's attached to that piece of cardstock underneath it, you see, and then you have a nice bottom there. And then this one you just hold like this. And if you want, you can close it, of course, with double-sided adhesive if you want to, but you don't need to. And then you have your wonderful holiday house box. Isn't that super cute? So let me show you the samples again. So this one little tag on that is actually also from the Planner Essentials. I decked the holes on there, the trees here, and it has foil and glitter on it. Painted the box in the red and the white, and the little fence is from the village edges. And then here, little fishtail banner from Our Home to Yours. And then one from the scrapbook paper, and then oh, what fun! And little penguin on there. Can you see this hanging on in your Christmas tree, or like a whole string with lights in there, like little lights, and a whole string on your mantle? That will be so super cute. Thank you for watching. I've suggested a couple of videos for you to watch, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and download the free project sheet for supplies, measurements and step-by-step instructions. See you next time.